steal is eventually, I was gonna either, if you put it in your throne, one of these bad boys, or I'll just send you one. The gold hands. You almost forgot to clock into your shift. Right.
We have shot down the enemy.
Okay, that makes sense why I didn't see anything.
We will cease battle position.
Gotcha. Okay, I knew I saw it. The William. Hello. I didn't say hi to you. I'm playing on the Xbox, but I am a fan of the PlayStation 2. So, I'm not a hater. Meteor wasn't too bad.
We will hold battle position. We have shot down the enemy. Current damage increasing due to battle. Enemy backup force.
Occasional dog bark, is it? Not bad. But thank you, honestly, for that raid, buddy. Appreciate that. I really do. I was just telling Steel that...
Vector trap has been released.
Yep, I'm a pro.
We have obtained the passcode. We are heading for the outer area.
Okay, now I'm good to leave. Yep. I think mine's a 2 terabyte also.
Hold battle position. Enemy backup force is approaching our location.
When you said that you made it so I didn't see ads, Payne, I was slightly confused because I'm like, I haven't seen one ad yet. That's because I have the turbo. That's how I first played them. Oh, dude, when Kingdom Hearts was out on the PS2, I got this little funny story, but it's a quick word. My friend, he's alright, you know. And he could not, for instance, in Final Fantasy II, do the Chocobo race. So he... Fucking liar. I'm all talking shit about my own friend. Sorry. I'm just messing around now. He remembers. I'll show you something that's pretty sad. Hopefully you could see it, but it's chipped at the end and a little chip in the middle. That's a lot of plays. It hurt when I... No! I didn't know there was going to be so many. So, hello everyone. I'm just playing my games. I'm tired as fuck, but yoo-hoo! At level 68, 70 or something like that. And once I did it, it not maxed him out. A whole bunch of level jumps. And I just eventually kept working on Sephiroth and maxed his whole characters out. It was a good time. Point being is Milwaukee brand. They're strong as hell, and they work just as well. Okay. Felt like no one could stop me. I guarantee his ass still thinks about that. Oh. Well, isn't that nice of you? Damn, you got a ton of people with you following in. Holy shit, I don't have enough drinks for everyone. And it's only like 120 or something bucks, right? Still love your regular Xbox One. Me too. Mine may be shelved right now because I got the X series, but I have not gotten rid of any of my consoles. I mean,
here it is.
Yes!
This is the one.
give me a shit.
We have shot down the enemy.
Word. Okay, so I won't be judged too harshly. Surprisingly, my kids are very behaved right now. I haven't heard a single thing through my headphones. It's amazing. I run.
We will hold battle position.
You know, Gran Turismo 7 doesn't give me
We
any.
have shot down the enemy. We will cease battle position.
When you on?
Have obtained the
Yeah, that's what I
anti-stealth
needed.
module.
Good. I can beat them now.
Yes, Kane runs so smooth. Really smooth, where I'm like, I hate to admit this, but I might be a PS5 guy rather than an Xbox guy, but I won't say that out loud. Notice I'm whispering. I guarantee it, even to this effing day. That was a long time ago. He's probably like, yeah, I did it. Truth is, I did it. He's one of those kind of characters. But when I'm near him, oh yeah, no big deal, yeah, he did it. Or I mean, yeah, he says I did it. Now that makes more sense. I
We
don't
will
see
hold
any ads
battle
anyway.
position. We have shot down the enemy.
I don't gotta put the moves on you.
We have shot down the enemy. We have shot down the enemy. Enemy backup force is approaching our location.
That's funny, ad jail.
We have shot down the enemy. We will cease battle position. We will is approaching our location.
Run forever, pal.
We have shot down the enemy. We have obtained the Metatron ore. We will hold battle position.
I actually think I know where to go now. I think I'll finish killing these guys. I had a long day, y'all, so if I just start rambling, just don't judge me. So what we're doing right now is I am lost. I'm trying to find my way. That's just like life.
We are heading for the outer area of the battle zone.
As far as I'm concerned, that bitch better remember until the day we die. I will turn those ads off for y'all. Hey, there's some people that use clippers. There are area change. Okay, 10 years. Oh, hell yeah. I felt like the boss when I took him down. It's like, you know, when you get the final hit and it's all slow motion, it's like, yeah. Oh, I could fix that for y'all. I can turn them off. I'm sorry. Same for me. Same for me, Punisher. Same for me. I used to be a hater of PlayStation, you know, until I realized PlayStation's got some pretty good games. and it runs really well, yada yada yada. When I saw a TikTok video doing that, I'm like, I had no idea. Wait, what the hell?
We have destroyed
Okay.
a portal. We have destroyed a portal.
I'll fix it. I'm sorry about that, y'all.
Enemy backup force is approaching our location. Enemy
Hang on, I
backup
see you
force
say
is
something.
approaching our location. We have shot. We will cease battle position.
Shit. Give me one moment. Hang on, just a second. Okay. What I was telling context in my camera, so that's why I kind of waited.
We have shot down the enemy.
I only had my contacts updated probably months ago.
We have shot down the enemy. We will cease battle position.
I'm gonna give it. And I got my shield right there. Both the swords. And yeah, they're just kind of hidden right there. You're gonna have to post the picture of that, that's for sure. And yeah, God hands. I actually got, you know, the red ones. And then the sharp butterball blue ones, the ones that cut like butter. But I'll show you a little something. Some from a lot of building. I'm gonna hold on. I really feel like a dick. Hold on. Just a second. Just 1 second. I'm gonna go check something really fast. Okay. I'd say
We have shot
the only
down the enemy.
kryptonite with that fight was when he would literally jump, stab, jump back, or whatever. When he jumps back, he does another slice. And if you're caught in that,
We will cease battle position.
bad news. And I'll eventually get there. But I want everyone to tell me what's up, how's it going, how you doing, anything else, ask some questions. I don't give up. Fuck.
Change the Megatron ore. We will hold battle position. We have shot down the enemy.
Oh. I think I know where to go, but I'm not confident, so we're gonna find out. I'm looking for the raptor that I control. I still got my Wii U right under my desk, so I can just start playing her. Yeah, you might be right, Payne. I think you're right with the 200. I personally
We have shot down the enemy. We will cease battle position.
Where the French toast am I supposed to go? He had me come do it. I did it. It was a bitch. But he didn't save it. So the same day I came back over. I don't know how long I fought it. Did it again. He saved it. And then, you know, a few weeks later on, he got Kingdom Hearts. Well, I don't even know the timeline, so don't even quote me on that. But he kept trying to kill Sephiroth. Oh. Oh. Right over this hill. Hell yeah. You can't hear me. Wait, what? What? Oh, from Skyward? You can't see it because I got my kitten right there. We're keeping her all contained because she's got a little respiratory. See? There's the rambling. Upper respiratory infection. I sure did. Took that bitch apart. Damn straight I did. Yeah, I fell in love with that game. Every time someone's like, I like Kingdom Hearts, like, have you killed Sephiroth? I'm like, no, or yes.
We have shot down the enemy.
He was a pain in the ass.